Rank of police. Number 1, Constable. Number 2, Senior Constable. Number 3, Head Constable. Number 4, Assistant Sub Inspector. Number 5, Sub Inspector of Police. Number 6, Sub Inspector of Police. Number 7, Assistant Inspector of Police. Number 8, Inspector of Police. Number 9, Deputy Superintendent of Police. Number 10, Additional Superintendent of Police. Number 11, Superintendent of Police. Number 12, Senior Superintendent of Police. Number 13, Deputy Inspector General of Police. Number 14, Inspector General of Police. Number 15, Director Inspector General of Police. Number 16, Director of Intelligence Bureau.